Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use a chlorophyll meter. First, ensure your device is clean and fully charged. Calibrate it by following the specific steps in your user manual, often involving a white calibration plate. This crucial step sets a baseline for accurate measurements. Once calibrated, your meter is ready to provide valuable insights into plant health and nutrient status, helping you make informed decisions for your crops. To take accurate readings, choose several representative leaves from different plants within your sample area. Avoid damaged or diseased leaves. Place the meter's sensor firmly on the leaf blade, ensuring full contact without crushing it. Take multiple readings per leaf, perhaps 3 to 5, and average them for a more reliable result. This method helps account for natural variations across the plant canopy. Once you have your readings, it's time to interpret the data. Higher values, typically above 40 or 50 depending on the scale, suggest good chlorophyll content and adequate nitrogen. Lower values might indicate a nitrogen deficiency, prompting you to consider fertilization. Always compare your results to a healthy reference plot or established crop-specific thresholds to make the most informed decisions for your plant management strategy. For the best results, consistency is key. Take your measurements at similar times each day and under comparable light conditions. Keep a detailed record of your readings, including location and plant stage, to track trends over time. After use, gently clean the sensor with a soft, dry cloth to remove any debris. Proper storage in its case will protect your meter and ensure its longevity for many seasons of use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.